Children's Day. Good morning to my respected teachers, friends, brothers and sisters. First of all, a warm wishes of Children's Day to all. The day is special and memorable because the day is for us. I feel very proud to be standing here at this special moment. I would like to heartily thank all for giving me a chance to speak on this auspicious occasion. Today, in this bright morning, we are celebrating Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We all know him as a Chacha Nehru. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad in British India. He belongs from a middle-class family of a village of Allahabad. Nehru completed his graduation from Trinity College, Cambridge in October 1907. After completing his degree in 1910, Nehru moved to London and studied law. After returning to India in August 1912, Nehru enrolled himself as the advocate of the Allahabad High Court. Later, he became the first Prime Minister of this independent India in 1947. Nehru was fond of children. Being the first Prime Minister, he took several steps for the development of India. His primary focus was on education. The government established several reputed schools, colleges across India. Nehru used to believe that education is the only way to kill all problems. He supported the youth of our country. Nehru's dream was to give moderate education to Indian children. He used to strongly believe that if we need a development India, then we have to educate and empower the youth of India. Out of the political scenarios, he used to love children very much. He was seen while taking care of the love children at different school meetups. This is why children love him very much and calls him Chacha Nehru. After his death on 27th May 1964, to give him tribute, we started celebrating Children's Day on the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is celebrated all over India with great pomp and show. The day makes us feel happy, proud and reasonable towards our country. The day gives us recognition as an Indian future youth of this country. The celebrations also aware people to take care of children. Child labor, child harassment, like illegal works cannot be stopped. It ensures that the adults provide a happy and pure childhood to all the children. At last, I promise to stand as a responsible citizen of our country and to help in the development of the nation. We all will stand together opposing child labor and the unethical behavior towards the children. I wish for the great success of the celebration. I wish to God may his soul rest in peace for all we all could gather together today. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like it and subscribe it and click the bell icon and share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.